record. Good. We're just going to zoom a little bit. There we go. All right, so for this one, what do we do to solve for n? Times by what? 15. So then I've got n is less than, and it's 15 times 19. So there's two ways to go about this. I could look at it as 10 times 15, which is 150, and then 9 times 15, which is, well, just 15 less than 150, which would be 135. And then I could go, well, that's 285, right? I could have done it the other way too. 10 times 19, that'd be 190, plus half of 190, which is 190 and half would be, what, 8 and 8, so 85. So 85 plus 9, that would be 275. Uh-oh. What's going on? That's not good. Came up with 275 and 285. That's two different numbers.
I got 285.
I got 285.
You got 285? You got 285? But if I do 150, that'd be 190. What's half of 190? Isn't that 85? No. That'd be 95, right? Because 90 is 18 plus the 10.
Yeah, it'd be 95.
95. Okay, that makes sense. Because then that would put it at 285. Okay. Alright, I digress. Now we got to figure out where to graph this. Well, we're going to look for 285 here. So this is 286. This would be 285. Everybody see that? And then I just have to know, is it an open circle or is it a closed circle? Open. Because there is no line, this is open. Right? And then it goes this direction, right? Because as long as n is on this side, then this tells me the direction of the arrow. So the arrow goes that way. Okay?
Do you always shade an arrow?
Yes, I do. Yes. Okay? Now, we'll do this one. Now, this one's a little harder because it has a negative b. And when you divide by a negative, you flip the sign. But I don't like to do that. Right? So what I'm going to do is move the b. So I'm going to say plus b and plus b. So that makes it a positive, right? So now I have b plus 18 is less than or equal to 11. Right? So I moved the b over. In essence, I flipped the sign. You see how I did that? In essence, I flipped the sign. Because if it were over here, see what I mean? If I flipped it, it would be pointing at the b, right? And what's it pointing at? The b. Okay? So now what do? I subtract the 18, right? So subtract 18. And I get b is less than or equal to negative 7, right? Okay, so then I got to look for negative 7 and I find it. Now, is this an open circle or is it a closed circle? Closed because of the line, right? This equal sign tells me it's closed. So this is closed. Okay? Now, what direction is it going? Yes. It's going left because b is less than. Okay? So it's less than, so it keeps going left. And that's it. That's those two problems. Not too bad, right? Questions? You're looking at them kind of funny. You got a question? I wanted to answer it before I turn off the video.
I don't know.
Is something making not sense though, right?
I just got confused with the beginning where you did that.
Where I moved the b. Alright, let's say I didn't move the b. Right? So let's do it over here. It's 18. Right? And I just go minus 11, so I get 7. It's less than or equal to negative b. Now what happens with this one is if I divide by a negative, right? Then I get negative 7, but I have to flip that sign. That's the rule. If you multiply or divide by a negative, you flip the sign. For me, that's a confusing rule. So a lot of students forget to flip the sign. You know what I'm saying? But as long as you flip the sign, you're good. Now, this doesn't tell me where the direction the thing's going because I need the B on this side and the -7 on this side. Now, if it's pointing at the B, it has to stay pointing at the B. Does that make sense? So, same thing, different way, and it's still pointing that way. Okay? So, this one uses the rule of flip the sign, and this one doesn't use the rule. It moves your negative B to become a positive B. Does that help?